you were taught that emotions are a great key to the unconscious and is very, very useful with breakthroughs. And that is 100% true. But what if you have a client who just is very quick to come out of the emotion because they're just not used to sitting with it? What do you do with them? Do you force them, or is there a better way to get them to do it? And this is a phenomenal question, right? This is a phenomenal thing that as coaches and hypnotists, we tend to really get in our heads about the feeling, forcing our clients to feel. And this was very present during one of the advanced conversational hypnosis training that I just had, where we had one client where it was just not, she was just not feeling into the emotion, but she was displaying other unconscious moments. And so, although it is 100% valid to have our clients feel emotion, some clients are just not going to be at that point yet. And so, the biggest principle in conversational hypnosis is to meet a client where they're at. If they are someone who is not ready to feel those emotions yet, that is fine. There are other ways that their unconscious mind communicates. And so while you were taught to really focus on the emotions, forcing a client into an emotion or feeling their emotions when they're not really open to it yet can create a wall of resistance, which really affects the speed of your breakthroughs. And so when you're able to meet a client where they're at and look for any other unconscious moments that they're displaying, whether that be they are speaking in metaphors or they are, more of a visual person, then you can use that as a gateway into trance instead of forcing them into the feelings, because feelings, although very powerful, is only one way, a powerful way, but not the only way. And by meeting a client where they're at and using, something like metaphors, if they were to display it, or meeting them in their visualizations, then by meeting a client where they're at, you're able to build that stronger rapport with them. They'll be able to open up with you. And eventually, maybe if they choose to, they can start feeling those emotions. But, the big point of this is just to meet a client where you're at by using whatever it is that they are giving you right then and there, because all clients, all humans are always displaying some sort of unconscious process, right? We are 95% or even more unconscious. And so, of course, your clients are going to display some sort of unconscious moment that is unique to them. So, when you know what these unconscious moments are that are not just feelings, then you are more equipped to helping your clients have a breakthroughs for those clients who are not in touch with their emotions yet.